One of the most important cognitive abilities is the ability to focus. When you're focused, you're in a flow state. You can fully concentrate on a task and filter out any other thing going on around you. This is because where you place your attention is where your energy goes. Focus is essential for work, study, reading, and learning. And so knowing how to stay focused and concentrate all your efforts on one thing can be life-changing. Now, because focus is so important, it's crucial for us to know how we can achieve it. Unfortunately for us, it's increasingly becoming more difficult for us to focus and concentrate. Why? Because of distractions. Our world has unlimited potential distractions, and our brain's ability to focus has become increasingly challenging because of it. This can be anything from outside noises to multiple notifications and messages, and social media in general. And according to research, it can take up to 25 minutes just to regain the focus after being distracted. And so I'm going to share how I personally managed to focus and concentrate, which allows me to work for a long period of time. Hopefully this method works for you as well. So first things first, set up your environment. This requires you to create a specific space for work, study, or any task that you want to perform. Could be a specific room or a specific area in a room, anything that you can associate your task with. Personally, I like to use the couch in my living room for work or study. The goal is to mentally assign the task to that location in which it will occur. The brain will develop a connection over time between our task and the chosen location. After choosing your location, the next step is removing all distractions. External distractions can play a major role in preventing us to focus and concentrate. And so ensure that you switch off all your notifications. If you don't need your phone for the particular task that you'll be doing, you can even move it out of sight. If you happen to need the phone, then ensure that you block out all social media and notifications until you finish the task at hand. Reduce the amount of stimuli your brain has to put up with. That is, reduce the amount of visual clutters that can compete for your attention. And by all means, avoid any potential interruptions. When you remove things that can cause distractions and potential interruptions, you will be more productive and have a better chance of staying focused. Therefore, creating a distraction-free environment is crucial for enhancing focus. Make the workspace only for work and nothing else. This will significantly help you to stay more focused, leading to a higher quality output and quicker task completion. And whatever you do, do not multitask. Multitasking is a myth. The human brain is not built for doing two or more cognitively demanding tasks at the same time. Hundreds of studies have shown that people cannot do multiple tasks simultaneously, even if you give them months of training. What happens when we think we're multitasking is the brain rapidly switches between two cognitive tasks rather than dealing with them at the same time. Multitasking forces your brain to switch focus back and forth rapidly from one task to another. This usually leads to reduced energy and concentration. The only time multitasking is somewhat applicable is if you're doing less cognitively demanding tasks, like washing the dishes, for example, or cleaning the house whilst you're listening to music. And so what you should do is work on one task at a time, allocating as much time as possible to finishing it. This works because 100% of the concentration and focus will be put to finishing that one task at a time. And once you're done, you move to the next. And then measure your progress. This can help you understand what type of actions contribute to your focus and what methods actually contribute to helping you stay focused and concentrate more. The tasks I measure are the tasks I remained focused on. What you need to understand is that measuring is not a judgment of who you are, it's a measure of where you are. And so this is how you can measure your progress. Number one, identify the goal. That is the task you want to perform, like study or work. Identify what you want to accomplish and the type of outcome that you seek. Number two, set a deadline. This is the time you expect to spend on completing the task. Number three, set milestones. A milestone is a minor achievement that you can use to measure your progress towards the completion of the overall goal. And once you're done, document and review your progress. This can be done by analyzing your data, seeing what worked and what didn't, and identifying what improvements you can make. Learning how to stay focused isn't something you can master overnight, and so the more you practice, the better you get. In the beginning, you don't even have to be good, you just need to get started. Everything you need to know, you will learn along the way. I'm curious to know, how do you manage to stay focused and concentrate? Let me know in the comment section. If you want to know about the 6 habits that waste our potential, you can watch the video that is being recommended to you on the screen right now. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.